Hello class. In this tutorial, we'll be learning a different kind of a function for loan repayment schedule. Suppose your question is like that a finance company is advancing loan to 5 clients and their details are given in this format. That is, this is the name of the borrower, this is the principal amount, this is the rate of interest, and these are the periods of repayments. And it is written in the question that all the loans are repayable in equated quarterly installments, so that the periodicity is now 4 for each client. And they have given the format where up to only 10 periods we need to calculate the interest payments only. So in the earlier tutorials, we will be using a proper format, that is opening balance, closing balance, interest rate. But in this question, we need to calculate only the interest rates. So for this particular type of question, we don't have to prepare such big schedules. We can simply use the IPMT formula to calculate the interest rates per client wise. So it's very simple. First, just add the periods here in your Excel sheet and write your periodicity as 4 in your Excel sheet and prepare this similar format. So your first part, IPMT, rate of interest. So for client AA, rate of interest is this, and this is fixed, that is 10%. So just simply fix this cell, divide by your periodicity. Your periodicity is 4. Just fix this cell, okay, because these both cells are not going to change. So I'm fixing these cells. Period. The period is this upper cell, right? This is the first period. But I want, when I move this cell to right side, it will change. But when I move this cell to downwards, it will not change. So basically what I want to fix the row. Okay, just add dollar sign in front of the row, so that when I move this formula downwards, the row will not change. But when I move this formula to right side to the next column, then the columns will get changed, so that one becomes 2. Okay, after selecting this, it is asking for me the period. So this is IPMT, so just add negative to the principal amount, and this amount is also fixed, so I am fixing it. Okay, now this is the simple, these two are optional, we don't have to write anything, just close the bracket. I'm so sorry, I forgot to enter the number of period. This is nothing, this is period of years. Just fix this, multiply by periodicity. Fix this cell also. Okay, so this contains now all the syntaxes. First is rate, then period is 1, then number of period is this multiply by this, present value is negative of principal amount. Bracket closed. Now this is my IPMT, that is the interest rate for first period. Now I don't have to do anything. I have to simply select all the cells and I have to do control plus R. Now I'm using control plus R because I'm duplicating the formulas moving from column wise. So instead of using control D, I'm using control R. And if you are not comfortable with R, you can simply drag this cell rightwards also. Okay, this will give you the value. So suppose I'm checking for this, just simply press a shortcut F2 and see it is taking the right values. This is the periodicity, principal amount is also right, rate of interest, period, and the this 8 is also being taken care of. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm coming to the second. So I'm just right now using dragging this formula only, but now I have to change certain things. What are the things? First is the rate of interest. So now instead of 10, it should be 11. So I'm just simply changing this cell. This is now D94. Period. Period is same. That is periodicity is same. That is B99. Next is period. F92. This is perfectly correct because I have fixed the rows. Now if I change this to this will not get changed because I fixed the row by adding the dollar sign in front of the row. Next is your period. Now this is has to change, but your multiplication will not change. At B99 will remain the same only. Present value. Your present value will have to be changed. Okay, now if you see, this is the correct formula. IPMT rate is 11%, periodicity is same, period is 1, your period is 12 into 4, and your present value is this. Bracket close. So this is also done. Simply drag this formula rightwards. It is done. So suppose I'm checking for this formula. This is perfectly correct. It is taking the value of 7 period, and these values are also related to B only. Enter. Now your C. Similarly, drag the formula here. Just double click the formula. D94 will actually change to D95. B99 will remain the same. F92 will remain the same, that is first period. E94 will change to E95. Then your B99 is same. C94 will change to C95. Just double click it and drag it. Enter. Okay, now simply select these cells and do Control plus R. Okay, next is again either use Control plus D or drag this formula. Okay, and now double click it. Your D95 now will change to D96. Sorry, this will change to D96. Your B99 is correct, F92 is correct, E95 will get changed to E96. B99 is correct and C95 will get changed to C96. Enter. Now select all these cells and do Control plus R. Okay. Now the next is similarly either drag it or use Control D because I'm moving it downward. Control plus D. Double click it. Your D96 will become D97. Your B99 is correct. Your F92 is correct. Your E96 will now be E97. Your B99 is correct and C96 will be C97. Enter and just drag the values or use Control plus R. This is done. Now it is asking for total of quarters. This is nothing. I am using sum formula of this. Okay, and then you don't have to do anything. You just have to drag them. Okay. Now this is nothing. This is actually saying that the finance company in first quarter is having that much interest rate from these 5 clients. Very simple. In case of any doubt, please write in the comment section. Thank you so much.